Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna make salt and pepper pork chop. So over here, I have pork loin. If you don't have pork loin, you can use pork chop. I have red paprika, green paprika, onion, eggs, bird's eye chili, garlic, baking soda, cornstarch, sugar, salt, cooking wine, oyster sauce, light soy sauce. You can use regular soy sauce if you don't have it. I have white pepper and garlic powder. For the exact measurement, please check on description box. So now, let's start cooking. Okay, so first thing first, or first step, I'm gonna cut or portions the pork. After you portions your pork, I'm just gonna remove some fat. All fat has been removed. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna portion this. I'm gonna divide it by 2. And then I'm gonna use my meat tenderizer and I'm gonna pound the pork so it's became flat, so it's gonna be nice, crispy, and it's gonna be juicy, and also it's gonna be tender also. Just cover your meat with plastic wrap so it doesn't splatter everywhere, and then use mallet or meat tenderizer. If you don't have it, you can use the back of your knife to tenderize it. This is what it looks like. After you tenderize the meat, now we're gonna move on to the next step, which is the sauce. So for marinated sauce, cornstarch, baking soda, sugar, cooking wine, oyster sauce, light soy sauce or just regular soy sauce, a little bit of salt, and give a little bit of water also. Mix it. After you guys mix them evenly, now you just put your pork inside and coat them in the sauce, and we're gonna marinate it for at least half an hour to 1 hour. Alright, so I'll be back in 1 hour. Okay, so after an hour on the marinating, crack 2 eggs. And then you want to mix it. And now we're ready to fry. So here I have cornstarch. So just take the pork, put it in the cornstarch, take off the excess. Make sure your oil is really hot. I mean, not that hot. You're looking about 380 degree Fahrenheit. And then you just put it in. Just deep fry it for about a minute and a half, or you will see it will become golden brown. Then you take it out, put it on the side, and we're gonna wait for the second fry. When you see it's golden brown like this, just put it on the side. And then we're gonna crank up the heat all the way to high heat. Wait until the oil became 450 degree Fahrenheit. Then you fry it for the second time for about 30 seconds. Now for seasoning, you want to put 3 teaspoons garlic powder, 3 teaspoons salt, and then 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. And then you want to mix them up. Alright, seasoning is done. After first batch is done, so the first frying is done, now we're gonna go for the second fry. You want to make sure your oil is completely hot, so you crank up your stove and make sure it's reached 450 degree Fahrenheit, and then you're gonna double fry, or the second fry is gonna take about 30 to 45 seconds. So let's do it. Last step, prepare your wok, put it in high heat. You want to stir fry all the veggies. So first thing first, garlic and chili. Stir fry it for about 15 seconds. Add onion. Stir fry for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you add your paprika. Just stir fry it for another 20 to 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, you add your pork. And now you have your seasoning. Drizzle it on top, little by little. Mix them. drizzle again. Mix it. At this point, you can turn off the heat after about 2 minutes. Alright, so everything is done. I'm gonna give it a try. Super tender, super juicy. It's very nice. Delicious. What I like about the second fry is just make this skin is completely crispy. Your pork, it's super crispy, it's nice, it's crunchy. Inside it's soft, it's moist. So that's it for today's videos, guys. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, and please do not forget to comment, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.